Hello my friends, hello YouTube. Well, it's the 1st of July, it's Canada Day, and we have rain every day since the snow melted pretty much, and my backyard is well, turning back into a marsh. I just thought I'd do a little video about unexpected and extreme weather. I'd say all the rain we've had in the last 2 months is a little bit extreme. And what you hear there is some hungry woodpeckers. But yeah, I dug this hole because my other hole was full of water, and the ground up here is raised up a bit, you know, and this was fine until yesterday. Today, now that's full of water too. And that's where I burn and make my biochar. There's the bees. Nice and busy, getting all wet. I'm gonna have to adjust it. Slope towards the front so the water runs out, but I think I'm gonna increase the angle. But yeah, so with all this water we're getting, if my garden was in the ground, I'd be having a lot of trouble. And my spinach is pretty much, it's bolted, but I guess these are female plants, and leaves are still tender and tasty, so I'm actually going to cook some of that up in my spaghetti sauce tonight. But yeah, just come out along here. Of course, the bottom of the beds are dug out, and you can see here the water is it's soaked. But everything in the beds is fine. So, you know, raised beds are the solution for, you know, extreme weathers. And you got Huglekultur in there, you know, that helps with a drought situation. And in the rain right now, it's all soaking up the water. There's some peas. I'm going to trellis them. My brother helped me trellis these ones here the other day. Looking pretty good, but yeah, got peas. My tomatoes are caught on really good. Jalapenos are starting to get little buds on them there. Some little buds there. I'll grow some flowers and then some jalapenos. So yeah, so we're about a month and a week past the last frost. These are my Hascap berries. They're nearly ripe. When they're ripe, they'll fall right off and pretty much just shake the bush. Some strawberries. Oh well, you can see them in there. Let's see if I can zoom in on some strawberries. Still green. Be a while. Hopefully I get some before the squirrels and everybody eat them on me. Yeah, another Hascap berry. Yeah, lots of potatoes. Here's my herb garden in a container from a video I did. It's going good. Maybe a few too many seeds in there. That's some oregano in that pot. Doesn't look like much is going on. It's my habanero pepper plant from last summer. I haven't even changed out the dirt in it. I will add some compost tea with biochar in it. Yeah, I got lots of potatoes and more potatoes in containers. This is interesting. Here's a parsnip. It's turning into a tree or a bush. Might be more than one parsnip, but you know, most 2 or 3. But I thought it was just one. I was growing it for some seeds. Should flower and turn into seed. I hope. Carrots. There's carrots I planted in video there a couple weeks ago or last week. They're coming up pretty nice. Blueberries, I actually have some blueberries on them. Now, Manny, the deer trimmed the bush right back to this stubby little thing. So I got this thick wire cage there, and I wired that up around it. Planted some pansies. I guess the smell of them deterred cabbage moss and white flies. So I put one right in there with the carrots. Yeah, got some beets coming up real nice. Peas are all flowering. Yep, well, for this winter coming up, I'm going to have lots of potatoes. Another bed of potatoes. There's another bed of potatoes. This one needs more dirt in it. I've been slow getting stuff done out here. It's my Swiss chard. This is pretty much ready to start taking some leaves and eating it. Got some dill growing there. Goji berry plant that never grew back. It's a row of cucumbers down the back and the side. Was going to plant something here, but it just keeps raining. Raspberries. Gonna have some raspberries growing on here. Some flowers turning into berries. And this thing really loves this raised bed, Huglekultur style. Some more beets and some cantaloupes. And 3 out of 6 survived. I got some onions here coming up. Some savory. Some parsnips. I left some of the clover in there, as you can see. This is hard to see here, but here's my asparagus coming up. This is going to be an asparagus bed. I'll let it overtake the whole bed. But yeah, just a quick little tour of what's going on. See how wet it is out here. It's hard to get anything done this summer because it keeps raining. Here's my next bed I'm filling in. See, it's just absolutely wet. There's water, you know. It's not draining away anywhere. So I'll let this wood soak it all up and make a nice core, fertile core for my next bed. So yeah, I haven't put up a video in a while, so I just thought I'd do a little tour. And yeah, if you don't want to deal with the extreme weather, build yourself some raised beds. You know, if you don't get much rain, then Huglekultur will help conserve water in a raised bed. And if you get too much rain, well, raised beds drain real nice. And as you can see, all the plants are enjoying it. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are and whenever you watch this. And I'll talk to you later, my friends.